Hello, I am Aman, and you might know me by the name Spring. And I am financially stable at the age of 21, and all the credit goes to my passion for gaming. Now, you might be thinking how an ordinary student can earn and become financially stable at this early age by just playing games on PC. This is the problem with older generations of India, as people are not aware about the potential of gaming industry in the economy and how it can provide students with secure sustainable environment for their future. Here, let me break down some of the most popular misconceptions of the population.
People in India believe that gamers lack in their mental development due to lack of social interaction with their friends and family. Playing video games work with the deeper part of your brain that improve development and critical thinking skill. Video games have created a fun and engaging way of connecting with people and can act as an important teaching tool in developing social skills. Majority parents in India think that gaming has no solid future and is affecting their child's financial security in future. According to industry estimates, professional gamer can earn anywhere between 70 to 80 lakhs per annum if they are also content creators and streamer on the platforms like Twitch and YouTube. Also, for an esports organization can add up to 50 to 70,000 per month to their income.
When I began gaming 5 years back, foundation of gaming industry in India was not well established yet. People hardly knew about gaming as a career. Even I struggled to achieve a better social and financial status back then. When I started streaming my gameplay on streaming platforms, there was a lack of engagement amongst the creator and the audience. Game servers were based abroad, which caused network issues, discouraging other people from playing games and focus on it as their career. With the passage of time, gaming sector in India was gradually increasing.
But with the beginning of 2020, there was a worldwide pandemic which forced a nationwide lockdown, causing the nation to spend their day at homes, causing boredom due to lack of entertainment.
By looking at the graph, we can observe the drastic increase in the gaming sector in India over the last few years. That is, from 62 billion rupees in 2017 to be expected as 143 billion rupees in 2022. The findings of the graph highlighted that COVID-19 has pushed the growth further, as the users jumped on the online gaming platforms in the absence of entertainment options during the lockdown.
Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi also addressed the nation about the importance and potential of gaming sector in India by saying,
ऐसे गेम्स का निर्माण करने पर भी हो जो हमारी युवा पीढ़ी को भारतीयता के हर पहलू को इंटरेस्टिंग और इंटरेक्टिव तरीके से बताएं। हमारे टॉयज और गेम्स इंगेज भी करें, एंटरटेन भी करें और एजुकेट भी करें।
This growth has pushed major gaming houses to introduce Indian servers into their game to satisfy the need of their Indian audience. For example, Valorant, a popular shooting game with a huge fan base in India, has introduced Mumbai servers. Another example to prove the boom and the importance of gaming sector in today's world is the hype for Battlegrounds Mobile India, which has clocked over 30 million pre-registration in just 2 weeks of its launch. The term entertainment industry is no longer reserved for Bollywood and the movie industry because gaming is now providing one of the most immersive entertainment to more than 2 billion people around the globe.